Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna explain about degrees of comparison. Halo semua. Hari ini saya akan menjelaskan tentang perbandingan. Bagaimana cara membandingkan. Okay? As you can see here, a beautiful woman. Okay? But is it correct using more, prettier? Kalau kita lihat ada cewek cantik sini, apakah benar menggunakan more, prettier? Is it correct? Benar nggak? Of course not. Okay? We cannot use more with ER. Pastinya salah. Kita nggak boleh menggunakan more dan ER. Okay, so I'm gonna explain more about this. Okay, so stay tuned on this channel. Degrees of comparison. We can use different forms of adjectives to compare things. Kita biasanya menggunakan adjective to compare things. Kita membandingkannya kata sifatnya. Okay? There are three types. Positive, comparative, and superlative. Positive, it means equal. Yang nama positif itu berarti yang sama. Okay? Keadaannya sama. Okay? Comparative, it means more or less. Okay? Ada yang lebih, ada yang kurang. Superlative, as you can see here, Superman. Super, it means the most or the blah blah blah. Okay? Let's check it out. I'm gonna give you some examples. Saya kasih contoh ya. For example, for positive, as plus adjective plus s. It means sama. Comparative, after the adjective, we put er, okay? Or we use more plus adjectives. And don't forget to use than. Jangan lupa nama comparative kita pakai more atau er plus than. Than itu artinya daripada. Superlative, we use the adjective plus est and the most adjective. Okay, some people might get confused when to use er and when to use est and more and most. Okay, now I'm going to explain more. Okay, now look at the pictures here. Okay, I'm going to give you some examples. For positive, saya akan kasih contohnya ya. Positifnya, a pencil, this one, a pencil, is as short as B pencil. Pensil A sama pendeknya sama pensil B. Comparative. Now comparative, membandingkan ya. C pencil is shorter than D pencil. Pensil C lebih pendek daripada yang D. Or you can say D pencil is longer than C pencil. Superlative. Superman, remember Superman? Okay, paling. Kalau super itu paling, yang paling. Okay, C pencil is the shortest of all. Pensil C paling pendek di antara semuanya. E pencil is the longest of all. Pensil E paling panjang di antara semuanya. Okay, usually superlative we can use like of all. Okay, so don't forget comparative we use er, then. Superlative we use the and est. Examples using er, then, and dest. The tortoise is lower than the butterfly. Kura-kura lebih lambat daripada kupu-kupu. Tapi the snail is the slowest. But the snail is the slowest. Tapi siput yang paling lambat. Ben's photo is more beautiful than Anne's photo. fotonya Ben lebih cantik daripada, lebih indah daripada fotonya si Anne. But Tom's photo is the most beautiful. Tapi Tom punya foto paling cantik. Okay, now you see we use more and most. Okay, next I'm gonna explain why we use more and most. We use comparative and superlative to compare things and to say which thing in top in a group. Kita mau menggunakan komparatif atau superlatif untuk membandingkan benda atau hal dan juga yang mana sih yang paling dalam sekelompok tersebut. For example, wow, she got the third rank. Dia dapat peringkat ketiga misalkan. She is a fast runner. Misalkan dia adalah pelari yang cepat. Dia adalah seorang pelari yang cepat. That's why she got the third. Maka dia dapat peringkat ketiga. And this boy, okay, he is faster. Dia lebih cepat lagi. That's why he got second rank. Maka dia peringkat kedua. Wow, this boy is the fastest. Dia yang paling cepat. That's why he got the first rank. Makanya dia peringkat pertama. Okay, so we compare things in the same group. Fast, faster, and fastest. How do we change the adjectives? We add ER and EST to one-syllable adjectives. Small, smaller, smallest. Jadi kita kalau untuk satu suku kata dalam kalimat dalam kata sifatnya kita menggunakan ER atau EST. Kalau satu suku kata kita menambahkan ER, IER, and IEST. We add IER or IEST for two syllables adjectives that end with Y. Kalau huruf terakhir adalah huruf Y, kata sifatnya terakhir adalah huruf Y. For example, happy, we have to add IER. Kita ubah Y-nya, we take away the Y letter and change it to IER. Dan Y-nya diubah menjadi IER. Happy, happier, and happiest. And then we use more and most for all the other 2+ syllable adjectives. Kita menggunakan more atau most kalau ada lebih dari 2 suku kata. For example, beautiful. It means there are 3 syllables. Contoh beautiful ya, beautiful. So there are 3 syllables. Ada 3 suku katanya. That's why we use more and most. Okay. Exceptional. For example, good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Far, further, furthest. Far, farther, farthest. What's the difference? Okay, far, the last one, this one is for distance. Untuk yang far bawah, yang paling bawah ini adalah untuk jarak. Further and furthest is for example, for further information, misalkan contohnya untuk keterangan lebih lanjut, untuk keterangan lebih jauh, please contact this number, for example. Silahkan kontak nomor ini. Okay, so that's the difference. Okay, these are the examples for one syllable, and these are the examples for 2 or more syllables. As you can see, hot, big, cheap, cold, rich, fast, long, sweet, and short. And there are some more, okay? Some more. And then 2 or more syllables. Awful, heavy, clever, funny, comfortable, beautiful, expensive, delicious, famous. Okay? So 2 or more syllables. Making comparisons. For example, that motorcycle is faster than the bicycle. That car is the fastest. That bicycle is the slowest. Small, smaller, the smallest. Young, younger, the youngest. Big, bigger, the biggest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Large, larger, largest. Close, closer, the closest. Dekat, lebih dekat, paling dekat. Large itu besar, lebih besar, paling besar. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Berat, lebih berat, paling berat. Early, lebih awal. Earlier, lebih awal lagi. Earliest, paling awal. Easy, easier, easiest. Look at this. Y change into I. Ya, perhatikan ini yang Y diubah menjadi I nih. Easy, easier, the easiest. Mudah, paling mudah. Mudah, lebih mudah. Paling mudah, paling gampang. Happy, happier, happiest. Gembira, lebih gembira, paling gembira. Useful, more useful, the most useful. Expensive, more expensive, the most expensive. Ini yang two or more syllables. Oke, yang lebih dari dua suku kata ya. Dua atau lebih dari dua suku kata. When comparing three things, ketika membandingkan tiga hal atau tiga benda. Tom is strong. Tom is stronger than Peter. Bob is the strongest. Bob paling kuat. Adjectives with more than two syllables. Adjektif dengan menggunakan lebih dari dua syllables. For example, the chair is comfortable. Bangkunya nyaman. The armchair is more comfortable than the chair. Yang ini, bangku yang ini lebih nyaman daripada yang ini. Nah, how about this one? Bagaimana dengan ini? The sofa is the most comfortable. Sofa yang paling nyaman. Okay, these are all the examples for positive, comparative, and superlative. Positive, we use as small as big as heavy as tall as cheap as expensive as late as long as colorful as thin as. How about the comparative? We just put er and then. Smaller than, bigger than, heavier than, taller than, cheaper than, more expensive than, later than, longer than, more colorful than, thinner than. Superlative, we use the smallest, the biggest, the heaviest, the tallest, the cheapest, the most expensive, the latest, the longest, the most colorful, the thinnest. Can you answer these questions? Mr. Anthony is an old man. How about Mr. Chan? Mr. Chan is older than Mr. Anthony. How about Pete? Mr. Pete is the oldest of all. Can you answer these questions? Pizza is delicious. Pasta is more delicious than pizza. Noodles is the most delicious of all. Okay, now try to answer these questions using good. John is a good swimmer. Tom is better than John. Of all, it means superlative, so we use Ken is the best of all. Can you use gooder? Boleh nggak menggunakan gooder? Gooder than gitu. No, we cannot use gooder. Kita nggak boleh menggunakan gooder. Okay? Jadi kalau udah pakai ER, pasang sama than. Ya. Boleh nggak pakai more, better? Juga nggak boleh. We cannot use gooder or we cannot use more, better. It's wrong. We cannot use more and ER together. Okay? Because more is only used for more than 2 syllables. More hanya digunakan untuk yang lebih dari 2 suku kata. Okay? So that was the end of the explanation. Thank you for listening. So if you want to join my free online community to learn English with me, please subscribe to my channel, teacher_Lirenz for my IG, and this is my channel, YouTube channel. Drop a comment below if you want me to explain about other things, and if you have any idea or maybe you want to join my community, feel free to join, okay? And I'm going to share you the link. Okay, thank you.